Hey everybody, BB here. Let's get into my current beauty favorites. I have them all on my face. So for primer, I've really been loving the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I didn't think much of this product. I think I picked it up at TJ Maxx and they do still sell it at Sephora. But every single time that I use this primer before I do my makeup just goes on super smoothly and it lasts so much longer than it usually does because if you've been following me for a while, you know my makeup style is on the more natural, lighter side. I don't really wear long wearing products. And generally long wearing products are synonymous with full coverage. So I don't always get long wear out of my lighter coverage products. However, this primer does do that for me. And I really love how my makeup looks every single time I use this primer. I have found the foundation for skin tint lovers, the About Face Beauty the Performer foundation is such a beautiful formula. If you love skin tints, if you like lighter weight products, you don't want to look like you're wearing makeup, but you want your makeup to look a little bit more polished, you want to look a little bit more put together, more so than when you're wearing like a skin tint, this is the foundation for you. I have it on my face right now and my makeup just always looks so beautiful and polished. That's the look that comes to mind when I wear this foundation. I just look a little bit more like oomph, you know, like my makeup has a little bit more oomph in it to it than it usually does when I wear this, but I still look like myself. I don't feel like I have on a full face of makeup, and it just sits so beautifully on my skin, and my skin just looks amazing every single time I wear this. I don't know what in this product does that, but it just makes your skin look so beautiful. It's more of a natural, slightly luminous finish. If you haven't tried this, please try it out. I think it's very affordable, especially for the quality of the formula. It's only $22 at Ulta. Please check it out. They have so many shades. So I'll put that foundation kind of on this part of my face, and then I'll go on with one of my absolute favorite concealers. This is the Milk Makeup Under Bright, I think it's the Sunshine Under Eye Tint and Brighten in the shade 6. In the summertime, this is a little bit more of like a highlighting shade for me, but for right now, since my skin is a little bit lighter, I don't have a tan, it's more like my skin tone. So I'll use this under my eyes to color correct mostly, because it's almost the exact same color as my skin tone again, and I'll use this on any blemishes that I have, and then around my mouth, the hyperpigmentation that I get around my mouth. I love this product. It's super light. I can barely feel it on my skin. To me, Milk Makeup makes really great complexion products, and this is another great one from them. Newish product in rotation for me that recently became a favorite of mine is the Say Slip Tint Concealer. I'm in the shade 16, and this is the concealer that I use to brighten up under my eyes. This concealer really surprised me. I don't know, like I didn't think much of it. I just grabbed it one day because I was like, okay, I want to brighten up my eyes a little bit, because I hadn't really been brightening up my under eyes. I don't do it as much, or I wasn't doing it as much as I used to, but I'm back doing it again because of this concealer. It just looks so seamless. It's not too bright and it just blends really well into my skin. I love this shade. It's nice, and I don't know, it's very creamy, super light. Just a solid concealer from Say Beauty. Really surprised me with this one because I did not like their other one that they came out with, but this one is a banger. Another product that snuck its way into my everyday routine, it has quickly become a favorite, is the Say Dew Bronze in the shade Stinson. This replaced my Glossier Solar Paint in the shade Heat. I do still have some left. I just don't use it as much anymore, especially on video because it's no longer available. But this is a really great replacement for the Glossier Solar Paint. It doesn't have those reflective particles in it like the Solar Paint, but it is that gel consistency. It blends out super similarly on the skin. Very easy to blend. Extremely natural looking, as you can see here. I really love this bronzer, and yeah, it has become a favorite of mine, and I've been using the Solar Paint for like 2 years, so it's kind of weird to like have new products in my rotation because you guys know that I don't buy that much makeup. And these same products were actually sent to me, and they've actually become favorites in my everyday routine. So I usually like to stick to the things that I know that I like, but it's kind of fun to switch it up sometimes and just finding new products and new formulations and playing around and seeing how things mesh with your skin. It's the beauty of makeup and another reason why I love it so much. Speaking of favorites and not really switching up my routine, the Tower 28 Beach Please blush in Power Hour is still my current favorite everyday blush. I've hit pan. I don't think I've hit pan on, this is probably the second blush I've ever hit pan on. But yeah, super beautiful terracotta bronze shade on me. I wear this just about every day. I do try to switch it up, but I always gravitate towards this one because I just love how it looks on my skin. Yeah, and just a constant favorite for me and will always be in my collection. I do want to try Toasted Teddy from Rhode, which is a little bit deeper than this, but I think this is the closest thing out on the market right now to Toasted Teddy, and I already have that, so I'll probably grab Toasted Teddy if they have a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, but for now, this is my favorite. For the glitter on my eyes, it's actually from a brand called Cosette, a brand that I had never heard of before. I actually picked this up at a trade show for work. I think it's more of like a makeup artisty brand, but it's beautiful. It's like a gold, shimmery, beautiful color on my eyes. Every time I wear this, people are like, oh my gosh, what is on your eyes? So sparkly, and it is. I really, really like it a lot. I'm going to try to find it online so you guys can check it out, but I love this eyeshadow. Two new favorite lip liners that I've been loving are the Glossier lip line in Buff, which is what I have on right now. Buff is a really beautiful My Lips but better color. Literally, it's almost exact same color as my lips, but it helps to even them out a little bit more because my top lip is a little bit darker than my bottom lip, a little bit more pigmented, and this just helps to even them out a little bit more. And Ami Colay's lip liner in the shade Petite Cola. This is a really beautiful kind of like reddish brown shade. It's super gorgeous with just the lip liner and a clear gloss. I've really been liking this one as well. They both glide on the lips super easily. Just two really great new lip liner formulas. I feel like we got a lot of new lip liners this year. I didn't try the Fenty ones, but these two are really great. And my current favorite lip product that I've been using probably almost every single day since I bought it maybe like 2 months ago is the Edam Le Chou Chou Lip Softening Balm in the shade Burnt Malai. Yes, I do want the other shades. Yes, I do think I'm going to grab their limited edition holiday set when they have a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. If they're having one, hopefully they are. Anyways, this is as good as everybody's saying that it is. It's cushiony, it's soft, it's not sticky, but it's also a lip treatment. I think there are some AHAs in there, but they're super, super gentle because I use this every day. And it just keeps your lips very, very smooth. Your lips don't ever get crusty. You know how they do when you have like your lips are peeling. They're never going to peel with this product. At least I don't think that they are because my lips have been in such a good state ever since I've incorporated this into my routine. It's just all around an amazing lip product. And can't forget about the lashes. I did recently pick up the Surratt Reveille. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure. It's their lash curler. I got the Surratt lash curler and this is what my lashes are looking like. I do think that it works. Really excited to have a good quality eyelash curler because the $3 one that I had was pinching me, so that had to go. And my favorite current mascara is still the Tower 28 to Make Waves. I think I need a refill. It's getting low, but this has been my favorite mascara for like 2 years now, and it's just really good. It grabs every single eyelash. Those are all my current beauty favorites. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and seeing the application of the products as I talk about them. That was something that I did want to try. I miss my little YouTube community so much. Please let me know what types of videos you're looking for from me. Beauty related, preferably videos. Yeah, so just let me know. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch y'all in my next video.